Welcome to the brand new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD LT in Lakeshore Blue Metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.6-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Silverado, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, steering column shifter, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control, and with a 40-20-40 split up front, the center console can become a seat. Taking a look at the exterior of the Silverado, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Michelin LTX tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, 2500 HD badges on the doors, LED turn signals on the mirrors, Z71 badges on the fenders, Allison transmission and 6.6-liter badges on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, gold Chevrolet bow tie in the center of the grille, black recovery hooks, LED over cab lighting. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Side steps are built into both sides of the box. At the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper. Towing package is installed. Single exit exhaust. LT, gold Chevrolet bow tie, and Silverado badges can all be found here on the multi-flex tailgate. Heading back inside the Silverado, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. We have overhead reading lights, coat hanger hooks on both sides of the vehicle. And here in the center console, you can find 2 USB charging ports and a power outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD LT. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.